What's up, guys? Welcome back.
Hey guys, what's going on?
We just came across something really cool out here and just wanted to make a video for you guys on it. We decided to stay in Argentina for now. What's the last 2.5 days look like?
This.
Mostly absolutely nothing. As we're driving, we saw some stuff on iOverlander for some cool red rocks, and before that, actually on the map. Over here, there's just orange rock, red rock, pink rock, white rock. Just all these different crazy patterns, like stuff you'd see in Utah normally. So we're gonna get out, we're gonna explore. It's really windy, so you might not be able to hear us, but we're gonna do our best to show you guys this spot. Another thing for you guys, our bed broke. So if you've been watching along, we've been van lifing for 3 weeks now. Who we bought the van from, they converted a wooden bed, and at the very end was like a 6-inch piece where it looked like they were just like, oh, we cut the wood not long enough, so they made another piece with really low quality wood, completely split out. So now our bed is 6 inches shorter.
And Kevin's feet will now dangle. Super windy, but I've never seen any rocks this colorful in my life. It's unreal down here. I knew that there was a Patagonian Desert after a lot of research. Most people don't even talk about it, but when I tried to find information about it and spots to hit online, everything just came up of spots in the mountains like Cerro Torre, El Chalten, and Torres del Paine, all this stuff. So no one talks about the desert, but this is unbelievable. This is like Utah on crack. It is just so sick. So definitely check this out if you're coming. All right, if you guys can see that right there, that is a bone probably bigger than my hip bone. So I don't know what animal was digging around in here, but this is crazy. Kevin dropped his lens cap from up there. I had to come down and get it for him. I'm so nice.
So just to recap this spot, if you're traveling South America in a similar style to us, you're going to be staying at campgrounds called refugios. So just down the road at the parking lot here, if you continue down the rocky road, within a few minutes you'll reach a refugio that you can stay at. As far as this spot goes, we had no intentions of doing the entire loop. We were just gonna like scope and see, maybe get some photos right here. We ended up doing the entire thing. It says it's a 90-minute walk. We probably could have done it in like 45 minutes to an hour. It took us way longer though because of photos and droning and everything. That was the craziest wind I've ever droned in personally. But
The drone was like this, flying, like
Yeah.
it was vertical instead of like level.
It'd go away and I would have to sport mode it back, which was just wild. But hopefully the shots were worth it. Highly recommend this spot. It's definitely out there. It's going to take a lot to get to, but if you're road tripping, it's definitely worthwhile to come and check it out.
And it's kind of on Route 40 down to El Calafate and all the national parks, so it's not out of the way if you are headed that way from up north, so check it out.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you later.
See you next time.